Here we are. We got our truck stuck. We gotta get that out. We're gonna fish anyway. I'm taping you, Jimmy.
When you went down to that slicky spot, I told you to stop. You went on back no farther. I just noticed you got that little low spot there. Spin out. That truck's light and ass in anyhow. That other one mine's even lighter than that.
Yeah. The river's up higher than we thought, but our little motor's running good. Here we are. We're gonna try to get through that mess.
Come up right there, didn't it?
Swing around. Want to fish in here, Jimmy?
Up there.
Fish jumping all over the place. Is that another one?
Yeah.
What do you think? Look at this machine here, 3 horsepower. Evan Root, running like a champ. Hey, we got the 89 in there this time. Got the oil's good too, smokes a little bit.
Got some guys catching alligators.
Yeah.
That should be a boat like this. I'd be scared to death, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. There's people up there swimming in this dirty water. Well, what do you want to do?
Turn the scanner on so let's see. You got the sunlight bad, ain't it?
Yeah, I want to. It's kind of partly cloudy. Get underneath this tree. Well, they're having fun, ain't they? Makes me want to jump in. Maybe scare all the fish down this way. Oh man.
Good fish down this way, right there, isn't it?
Yeah. Better hook our electricity up here. Oh god, that battery's heavy.
It's hot.
I don't know why the big boat battery's so heavy.
Lead.
Oh, how deep are we? I see it. 16 feet.
Pretty deep right here.
Oh yeah.